Hello everyone. Do you also feel confused between the stability of a government job and the flashy life of private sector? Well, let us tell you, you are not alone. Today, let's understand both the options to help you decide better what works for you. Well, let's start with something that matters the most, your priorities. Government job offers stability, great benefits, job security, and an amazing work-life balance. But one must not forget that the process of getting into a government job is long and exhausting. The promotions might be slow and the routine work shall look monotonous. However, the respect of working as a government employee, especially owing to the traditional Indian mindset, is definitely a plus point. They also offer the satisfaction of contributing to something bigger, like public service. The second most important thing we must talk about is the salary. The researchers show that the salary of an entry-level employee in the government sector starts at somewhere about 3,28,000. This includes a lot of perks and benefits. This further translates into regular pension once you retire from your services. On the flip side, we see that the average annual income of a private sector employee at entry level starts somewhere around 5,18,000 per annum. However, it misses the most sought after retirement benefits. Undoubtedly, the private sector is all about growth and skills. You get to work on cutting edge projects, competitive salaries, and regular growth promotion. However, the downside, long working hours, job security that can definitely not be guaranteed. And sometimes the office politics can be a little tricky to handle. So, which is the right choice for you? See, if you're someone looking for stability, security, and a fixed path, then a government job might be the ideal option for you. It will offer you a perfect balanced work life and a relaxed lifestyle. However, if you are someone who likes to work in a fast-paced environment, prioritizes growth and learning, then a private sector job might be ideal for you. However, be ready for long working hours and unpredictable challenges. Ultimately, it's a trade-off. You've got to work both smart and hard in order to achieve success. Tell me in comments below, what kind of work environment do you like? Do you prefer stable and secure environment, or do you prefer fast and growth-oriented environment? Remember, knowing your priorities is the key. Keep following the United Indian for more such informative content. Thank you.